Tenno, now that you've awoken from the second dream, it is time to select your focus and begin your way toward unlocking your greatest potential. Long ago, the Tenno formed 5 schools, each representing a different Tenno way. Nerimon focused on knowing the enemy. Zenurik focused on dominating the enemy. Uneru focused on outlasting the enemy. Vazarin focused on constant awareness. Madurai focused on speed and savagery. Once you have selected a Tenno way, you will be granted a focus ability, a power which can be used regardless of the warframe you have equipped. You will also be given a focus lens to equip on your max-ranked warframes or weapons. Installing this lens will convert excess affinity earned in missions into focus that can be used to upgrade your focus ability and unlock unique passive abilities. Once earned, focus can be redeemed in your Orbiter's transference room and can be used to upgrade and unlock new schools and abilities. To help increase the amount of focus earned per mission, you can acquire more lenses by completing the challenging daily sorties and install them on more of your equipment. As the lenses earned during sorties may not always be for your chosen school, installing them will earn focus points toward other schools, allowing you to unlock and begin your way down another path, should you so choose. There are also greater lenses which can be acquired through the market. While these are untradeable, they will reward more focus than a standard lens. In missions, you may come across Convergence, which will randomly appear a short distance away from you. Once picked up, it will activate, rewarding you with a focus multiplier for a short time. It is time to embark on a new path, Tenno. Choose your way wisely.